How to put logo or watermark in multiple photos at once. You can put logo or watermark in multiple photos at once, using XNView software. In the folder directory, open the photos you want to put a watermark. We will put a logo watermark on these 5 photos, in the right side bottom. Select all the photos, and click Tools. And under the Tools, click Batch Processing. A pop-up window will appear. Choose a directory you want to save the photos. If you choose to save it in the same folder, you have to click one by one to overwrite each photo. After choosing a directory, click Transformation tab. Under this tab, choose Watermark, and click Add. Now you can see parameters. Click on the 3-dot button and choose the logo you want to put in the photos. I choose a PNG format logo that has a transparent background. Now, I want to put the logo in the right side bottom of the photo, so in the drop-down box, I will choose bottom right side. And then, click Go to convert the photos. After finish converting, locate the directory you assigned to save the photos. There you have it. All 5 photos have a logo on the right side bottom.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.